Alright, so this is a really simple and really quick little makeup tutorial, but I'm going to be using these stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. I think it was a Dollar Tree. But I'm taking each one, I'm just literally sticking it to my face, and I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm adding that around these. This is just going to be the base for the next thing that I'm coming in with, which is going to be Sand Dollar from Makeup Geek as what usually would be my transition shade. Almost said that out loud. I'm firstly going in with the pencil and actually just going around the general shape of it, and I'm coming in with a little bit of the remnants from the pencil from like sharpening it or just like dig it in your brush a little bit, and I'm putting that into a more detailed placement so that I can go into little crevices and such. Once I've got that blended out though, as I'm using the warmth of my finger to do so, I'm going to be coming in with, again, as I said, Sand Dollar from Makeup Geek. Usually I'd use this as my transition shade, but today I'm using it just to help kind of better saturate it, to get our line of demarcation a lot more intense. And once I've got that down, I'm coming in with actually kind of a sparkly white color, which is going to be Ice Queen, I believe, again from Makeup Geek. And I'm placing that all over where I've just put down the first shade, which is going to add just a slight shimmer sheen to it, which is going to obviously act as more of the snowy effect. And obviously to show the effect, I have to peel them off. Peel, 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 because no big deal, deal, deal. And onto my lips, my perfect holiday red is probably going to be Kitten Heels from NYX Cosmetics. It's their liquid suede. If you are talking like a satin lipstick consistency. And we done.